Students, in this video we will understand about individual right to privacy. So privacy means the state of being alone and not watched by other people. Okay, so unless and until you decide to show yourself or show something that is there in for you, so without your permission nobody can see. That is privacy. Privacy is one of the individual rights to keep personal information secret from others and reveal only the selective ones. So it is clearly we can understand that unless and until the information which is secret, that no one can see that information. So once the person is showing or revealing the selected ones, then others also can see the selected ones which is revealed or which is shown. Accessing such information without the consent of the owner is unethical and illegal. So if you are finding such information without the permission of the owner is illegal. Illegal means which is not right by the law. Okay. The next point we have to understand cyberbullying. So in that bullying, we will understand about bullying first. Bullying means to do unwanted and aggressive behavior among children. So unwanted means which is not needed. Aggressive means aggressive behavior means a person one who hurts others, one who is ready to harm others. It includes actions such as making threats, spreading rumors. Threat means here you have to understand threat means dhamki dena. Okay, spreading rumors. Rumors also is afwa. Okay, a piece of news or information that many people are talking about, but that is not possibly true. Attacking physically or verbally. There are 4 types of bullying. So here we have 4 types of bullying. So in this video, first one, verbal bullying. So verbal bullying is saying or writing mean things. Verbal bullying includes teasing. So teasing means chidhana. Okay. Name calling. That is also is unnecessary, inappropriate name if you are calling. Okay, like tall, you are very tall, you are very fat. So this is name calling. Inappropriate comments. So when you are commenting unwanted words, you are commenting. Taunting. Taunting means tana marna. Okay, to try to make somebody angry, upset by saying unpleasant words or things. Then threatening to cause harm. Again, dhamki dena to cause harm. That means you are threatening him to harm somebody. Second one, social bullying, sometimes referred to as relational bullying, involves hurting someone's reputation or relationships. Social bullying includes, now we can understand by seeing the example, telling other children not to be friends with someone. Okay, some children tell other children not to be friends with someone. See, that is not correct. Then second one, spreading rumors about someone. Again, afwa, that which is not real, which is not true, and you are just telling the false message and spreading the rumors. That is afwa. Then embarrassing someone in public. That means humiliating or शर्मिंदगी करवाना किसी को. That means embarrassing someone in public. Public में किसी को शर्मिंदा करना. Then physical bullying involves hurting a person's body or possessions. So physical bullying includes hitting. So hitting all of you can understand, and pinching, spitting. Spitting means thukna. Pushing. So do not push. Taking or breaking someone's things. So you can understand this: hitting, pinching, spitting, pushing, taking or breaking someone's things. So this is coming under physical bullying. So I hope all of you have understood these 3 points about bullying.